This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it?
Yeah! Can you dig it? Check that opening out.
Not too much.
Combos are good. It's stuck in your tooth. Okay. You want us to showcase your channel? Be sure to check out the description below and click that link. Guys, we are at an emergency stop. Hit the panic button because we are in trouble. Me and Sylvia was looking up the torque specifications for the cylinder head, and as we were scrolling down, we saw an important caution note about the main bearings on these engines. You are not going to believe this, and it's a good thing we caught this in time, and this is very important. So hopefully, if you're doing your engine, you definitely, hopefully you're watching this video right here, part 14. From the manufacturer, the main bearings are different on each journal. That's right, they're different, not the whole thing. So now the person who's doing the engine, which happens to be us, lucky us, we have to figure out, was this engine ever rebuilt? Was the crankshaft ever done? Anything like that, or we're in some serious trouble here. So luckily, it's a 2003. We know the customer very well, and the customer bought the vehicle in 2004. So that's only 1 year. So chances are very good that nothing happened that time. It had low. It's the original everything in here. Now you got to figure out which bearings that you need. On the back of this crankshaft, matter of fact, let me show you the markings and all. We'll be right back. All right, we got our crankshaft bolted in nice and pretty and everything looking good. We're gonna have to take off the bed plate again, take off the main bearing. Well, there's all part of the take off the oil pump, the tensioner in front. What you gotta do is turn your crankshaft, and there's gonna be a reluctor wheel back here. This little wheel, and on the back of this, I already turned it. You're gonna see 4 letters right on top. Now, this one happens to have 4 letter U's. Now those are the markings, which kind of bearings to use on each journal. And starting from left to right, it's U. So starting from the left, that's the first journal, second, third, and fourth. There's going to be all different kind of letters on these, and just this one happened to be U. Now still, how do you know? Then you're going to have to call the dealership and let them know the letters so they can know which bearings to give you. And we lucked out because some of them are what is it? Discontinued. So you can't even get them no more. So we're about to show you the dealership website where we went to and how much the bearings were. We'll be right back.
Okay, so if you could see, number 7 is the bearings. Okay, so if you would click on number 7, and it's going to take you down, you can see the different letters, R, S, T, and at the bottom is U. And you can see for R, and there's the other R. R, S, they only have for main bearings 2 and 3. And then T is also discontinued, they're all discontinued. Luckily, we have U, which is still available. So we went ahead and ordered it. As you can see, it's from this one is for 1 and 4, and then that one's for 2 and 3. So we'll get different packages for the different bearings. So we order them and they'll be here later on this week.
So there you have it. You want to make sure that if you're rebuilding this engine, take notice of that. Now, if this was a customer with an older vehicle, the customer just got the vehicle, we wouldn't take any kind of chances. We would definitely have to get a crankshaft. When we were on Rock Auto, the new crankshaft with bearing is like $225. It's definitely, if you're unsure, definitely go that route. We're sure about this, so we're gonna pop those off, do all that. It ain't no sense in us videotaping, but what I am gonna do is videotape us getting those new bearings and putting them back in. If you mess up, like right now, our engine turns smoothly. There is a 50-50 chance that you're gonna lose oil pressure or the engine's gonna lock up or something if you take that chance. Do not take that chance. Alright? We'll be right back.
Okay, that's all, folks. Quick and easy video. So we're gonna wait for the new bearings to come in, and then we're gonna keep on rolling. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again.
They better pay attention or they're gonna blow up their engine.
This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.